Hello, everyone. Are you ready to go on a super fun adventure with me today? We're going to discover something really amazing that's all around us.
Oh, welcome. I am so happy you're here with me today. We're going to take a little journey into our colorful festivals and find some magical secret patterns. Ooh, it's going to be so much fun.
Okay, first things first. Let's talk about our wonderful, colorful festivals. You know, those special times like Pongal and Bihu and Lori. That's when we celebrate the sun coming back to make our days bright and warm.
Wow, just look at this beautiful picture. Do you see all the yummy food? And oh, look at the bright little lamps. We call them diyas. And all the colorful decorations. And wait, look up high. There are two kites dancing in the sky. It's just such a happy time for everyone, isn't it?
Okay, now it's time to become pattern detectives. Are you ready to put on your detective hats and look for clues? Come on, let's look really closely at our festival picture, because I think it's full of secrets.
Okay, detectives, look at those pretty decorations hanging right at the top. Do you see the garland? It has red flowers and green leaves. Let's see, it goes flower, leaf, flower, leaf. Hey, that's a pattern. It repeats. You found it. Wonderful job, my little detectives. Now, I want you to meet a new friend of mine. His name is Muna. And you know what? He loves to make art in a very special way. He uses patterns to create something totally amazing. Let's go see what he's made, shall we? And here he is, our friend Muna. He just loves to color. And look at what he made. Wow. He used his very own thumb and fingers to make this cool pattern. Isn't that so clever? Okay, let's look closely at Muna's pattern. It goes pink, then black, then pink, then black, and then pink again. What color do you think should come right here at the end? What do you think? Yes, you got it. It should be black because the pattern just repeats itself over and over. You guys are such smart detectives.
And you know what's the best part? You can do this too. Yes, you. You can just dip your fingers in some paint and create your very own beautiful patterns. Wouldn't that be so much fun to try at home?
You can even make patterns that grow. It's true. Look at this one. The first group has just one little fingerprint. The next one has 1, 2. And the next one has 1, 2, 3. See? Each time we just add one more. This is called a growing pattern. It gets bigger and bigger.
Okay, are you feeling creative right now? I hope so, because it's project time. I have some super duper fun ideas for art projects that you can do at home with your family. Are you ready to hear what they are? Okay, here are some fun ideas for you. First, you can go outside and collect things like pebbles and flowers and leaves and make your own patterns on the ground. Or you can just look for patterns in nature, on animals and flowers. You could also make a beautiful collage with all sorts of different things. And this one is really fun. You can even make patterns with sound by clapping your hands and stomping your feet. Ready? Let's try. Clap, stomp, clap, stomp. Fun, right? Just look at some of the patterns you can find outside. Oh, look at this lovely purple flower. Do you see how the petals make a kind of star pattern? And oh my goodness, look at this sweet little cat with its beautiful stripes. Nature is just a wonderful artist, isn't it? It makes beautiful things. All right, for our very last activity today, we're going to do something very calm and very beautiful. We are going to learn all about making traditional kolam designs. Let's meet Murthy and Vani. See them? They are helping their amma, that's their mummy, to make a beautiful design right on the floor. This special kind of art is called a kolam, or sometimes a rangoli, and it's usually made with lots of colorful powders.
Oh, but look, their kolam isn't finished yet. Do you think we should help them? The design is a pattern, so it repeats. Okay, let's watch very closely as we complete the lines to finish the beautiful design and there, all finished. We did it together. Wow, it looks so lovely.
So what did we learn today? We learned that patterns are absolutely everywhere, in our festivals, in the art we make, and all around us in the big wide world. So remember to keep your detective eyes open and see how many you can find today. Goodbye, children. I'll see you next time.